Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into boot mode. So to get started, we want to grab a cable and you want to have it plugged into your computer. Now it does need to be plugged into a computer and not, for instance, a charger. Anyway, from here we're going to just plug it in. Ignore whatever pops up. And next we're gonna turn off our device. And once you turn it off, you want to hold volume down. I think it's volume down. Let me quickly check if I can. Oh, volume up. So we're gonna hold volume up once the device turns off. Now you might be hearing some noises from the computer where it's just kind of connecting and disconnecting from a device. You can ignore this. I'm not sure why it takes it like couple reconnection to actually get us into this mode, but after a moment you should see the boot mode. Now in this mode you will need to use only volume up to navigate through the three options that we have available to us. And that being said, the three options are first one being a recovery mode, then second fast boot mode, and third one normal boot, which takes us back to Android. So you navigate through them, like I said, we're using your volume up only, and once you have an option highlighted or selected with the little arrow, you can press volume down to confirm it. Now I do want to confirm normal boot, so it takes me back to Android, so I'm going to do that. I'm also going to unplug the cable. There we go, and just give it a second, and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.